It's another great day at Stapp Interstate Toyota. I'm Mike Schultz, Fix Operations Manager here at the dealership, to talk to you today about the multi-point inspection. Every vehicle that comes into our dealership through the service department gets a multi-point inspection. Now, what is that? It's more or less a health check on the basic operating systems on your vehicle, and it's important. It provides great maintenance information and the status of your vehicle. We use a color-coded system: red, yellow, and green. Red means that system needs immediate attention. Yellow means caution, it needs to be watched. And green means it's operating just fine, no need for concern. One thing our service advisor does at delivery after your service here at the dealership is present this multi-point inspection. Please take the time to ask questions about the multi-point inspection for your vehicle. With regard to the red and yellow items, certainly discuss that with your service advisor. Everybody has a budget. I know I do. And sometimes, if your vehicle needs a lot of attention, a lot of various services, you'll need to prioritize those services, and that service advisor can help you prioritize the labor operations as well as prioritize your budget. We are here to help. Two things I'd point out that are very important are brakes and tires. If they show red on the multi-point inspection, those are an immediate concern item. I hope you would agree. Thanks very much for your time. We look forward to seeing you at Stapp Interstate Toyota and for you to get your multi-point inspection. I'd point out to you in the month of November and December, we're doing a free battery health check. Make sure you ask for it. Schedule online at stappinterstatetoyota.com. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.